Okay, this is lucky number 7. A red brindle female. She's like a pumpkin color, isn't she? Mm-hmm. And she has no white. Yeah. And her eyes are just open. You can get one. Hey. Look here. Look here. Oh. Okay, such a... Okay. Oh, I know. Okay, this is Scarlett Jr. She is a red fawn brindle. I know she's just as big as Baby. Did you know that? She's got a big ass head on her. She does. She's got a tooth mark on her chest. Here. Come here. Come here. Show it. Show your tooth mark. Aww. Look at her color on the camera. You can see it so much better. Look at it. Yeah. Okay. Get Baby. I bet you that's who's crying. Scarlett, come here. This is Baby. She's a red brindle female. Baby. And she's got white on her chest too. Look at the camera and her eyes just opened. Look at her. Look at them. They just opened today. Oh, and she's got white on her chest. And on her neck. Look at. Baby.
This one laying on top of the other one real quick.
Baby. Here, get Baby. Baby. Oh, look how pretty her color is. Who's that? Oh, Johnny. Are you just doing them all?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. This is Johnny. He's a fawn brindle male. Johnny. He's one of 3 males. Johnny. Come here. Come here, buddy. Get it? Johnny and Baby, Dirty Dancing. Did you get that?
No, I've never seen Dirty Dancing.
Oh, well, that's why. Johnny. Nobody puts Baby in the corner.
Here's the other red.
Oh. That's Ricky. Oh, Ricky is so damn cute. I love little Ricky. Ricky. This is little Ricky. He's a red male. Oh, buddy. And he has no white. Okay. Oh, he's so cute. Oh, Daisy. This is Daisy. She's one of the biggest puppies. The biggest ones are Baby and Daisy. Daisy's a fawn female. Damn, look how... She is so fat. Look at her.
All of these
Look at her in the camera. She is such a fat girl. She's so cute. Look at her.
Pudgy.
She is.
You can't name her Pudgy.
Little doughberry girl. So that's Daisy. She's got no white too. I believe. Come here. Come here. Yeah, she's got no white. Can't you tell they're ready to eat? Aw. Okay. Daddy. Okay. Here. Okay. This is Daddy. Red male. He was the firstborn.
This is Owie.
Super red. He's I can't remember. He's either the same amount as the girls or an ounce under. But he's so red. Daddy. Get it? Because he looks like Caesar's dog, Daddy. Come here. Come here, buddy. He's got a little tiny white mark on his chest. Here, try to show it. Here, pick him up. I thought he did. Okay, he's trying to like, no he doesn't. Here. Oh, that's it? Okay. I think he's just so little. It's like under his armpit. Oh, and look at him. Okay, put him in the pen. In the pen. You put him in the pen. Okay, oh, look at the pile. Okay, so we have Daddy and Daisy. That's Ricky's butt, the salad, and then from the right to the left we have number 7, Scarlett Jr., Baby, and Johnny. And that's pretty much all she... Oops.